Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're here, chances are you've been battling sugar cravings and want to break free from their grip. I've been there myself, and as your coach, I'm here to help you understand why those cravings happen and give you actionable steps to take control. So stick around because today we're going deep into this sweet topic. Before we jump in, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you find this helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it. Why do we crave sugar? Let's start by understanding why sugar cravings happen. Sugar gives us quick energy boost by spiking our blood sugar levels. But when that sugar high crashes, it leaves us feeling tired and craving more sugar. It's a cycle that our brains get addicted to. Stress and emotional eating. Many of us turn to sugar when we're stressed, sad, and even bored. Why? Because sugar triggers the release of dopamine, that feel good chemical. It's comfort food, but it comes at a cost. Nutritional imbalances. If your meals lack protein, healthy fats, or fiber, your body might crave sugar to compensate for the energy that's missing. I'm repetitive about this, but you know what? We're going to know about this. By the way, if stress eating is something you struggle with, I have a video on managing emotional eating that you can check out after this one. I link that right here in the description below. Now, the hidden dangers of sugar. Now, let's talk about why tackling sugar cravings is so important. Health risks. Overconsumption of sugar is linked to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even mood disorders. There is this thing called energy slumps. While sugar gives us a temporary boost, it also drains your energy in the long run. And let's talk about addiction cycle. Did you know that sugar can be as addictive as drugs? Studies show that it lights up the same reward pathways in the brain. But don't worry, this isn't about cutting out sugar completely. It's about balance and learning how to regain control. Let's have step by step solutions to tackle sugar cravings. Let's get into the strategies you can start using today. Number one, balance your meals. Include protein, healthy fats, and fiber in every meal. These nutrients stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. For example, swap out your sugary cereals for oatmeal and top it with nuts and seeds. Number two, hydration is key. Sometimes we confuse thirst with hunger. Drink water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Add a slice of lemon or a cucumber for flavor if plain water feels boring. Number three, mindful eating. I was just talking about this the other day. Before you reach for that candy bar, pause and ask yourself, am I truly hungry? Or am I eating out of habit or emotion? If it's emotional, try journaling, go for a walk, or maybe you can call a friend instead. Number four, healthy swaps for sweet cravings. Opt for fruit, like an apple. I know people don't like apples, but any fruit with almond butter or any nut butters that you like. Instead of processed snacks, use natural sweeteners like stevia or honey or maple syrup in moderation if you need a little sweetness in your drinks or recipes. Number five, build a routine. Sugar cravings often hit the hardest when our routines are out of sync. Set regular meal and snack times to prevent the dips that lead to cravings. Number six, sleep and stress management. Lack of sleep can increase sugar cravings by messing with your hunger hormones. Aim for 7 to 9 hours, or at least 8, of quality sleep. Incorporate stress relieving practices like yoga, deep breathing, or meditation. If you're looking for more tips on how to create healthy routines, I have another video on building sustainable habits that can help. Be sure to check it out after this. So, when cravings hit, I have some emergency tips for you. Even with the best planning, cravings will strike. Here's how you can handle them in the moment. First, distract yourself. Cravings usually last 10 to 20 minutes. Go for a walk, drink a glass of water, or dive into a fun activity to shift focus. Chew gum. I personally don't chew gum, but this works for some people. Now, sugar free gum can trick your brain into thinking you're having a treat. Have a go to snack. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I usually do. Keep healthy options on hand, like a handful of mixed nuts. Mixed nuts for me when I'm mobile, going out, and a boiled egg, cut up fresh fruits and veggies for when I'm home. Now remember, it's okay to enjoy a treat occasionally. It's about progress, not perfection. Overcoming sugar cravings is not easy, never easy, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's absolutely doable. Also, remember, you are not alone in this journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with everyone who might need it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips and motivation from me. I'd also love to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle with sugar cravings? And which tip are you excited to try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you again soon.